I'm good.
Hi.
Now you remember me.
I remember you now. Yes, I remember you now.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. It's been a while.
Yeah, it's okay because you talk so many people. That's why it's happened.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Now I'm passing
Now?
free time.
Mm-hmm.
And you?
Oh, wow. Okay. Just getting ready to start my day. I'm going to take my car to get a car wash. I'm going to go to the mall to go shopping.
It was a busy day for you.
Yeah. Yeah. I want to keep myself busy. You know, make sure I'm not in home all day doing nothing, but be more productive. God gave me a chance to take a year off from work, and now it's my turn to go back and start looking and start doing something productive.
Yeah. Now
You know?
in my country, get American visa is very long process. It's very tough. If I get opportunity, definitely I will visit. What do you do for a living? I mean, what's your profession? May I know?
I used to be a research analyst for 17 and a half years. I researched banks, credit unions. So I was the middle person that finds out information from other lenders, institution, actually my speak, and then sell that information to the other party.
Oh,
And then the other party, if they like their work, the report, then they will want us to hire more and get other information about other banks and credit unions. And then that's what I do. I go out there and I shop and do my research.
you like this profession?
Yeah, it's called. No.
What is the problem in this profession? Why you don't like?
17 and a half years.
Oh my God. Now I got it. It's a long
Yeah.
time. Your duty period is very lengthy.
Exactly. Too long.
Sometimes you feel bored and exhausted every day. It's a very hard work.
Yeah.
They provide a good salary because your working time is very lengthy, very long time.
Yeah. Did they pay me good? No.
You are not satisfied.
No, I wasn't satisfied. No. I will.
You have to plan to shift other profession or other.
It depends. If other job company require education, experience, and it's something I'm interested in, then yeah, I will go to learn more, take some classes. Thank you for keeping me company, Con.
Yeah, my pleasure. It's
Seriously.
helpful for me also because you
Yeah.
know already I'm practicing English and it's my practice. So it's good for me. Yeah.
Well, I'm glad that I can be a service and I can help you.
Are you ready to going to your job?
No, I'm gonna go get a car wash and then I'm gonna go to the mall. There's one perfume that I really like and I hope they still have it. So I'm gonna give myself an early Christmas gift.
You are also a beautician. You're doing perfectly.
Yeah? Thank you. This is my first time doing makeup live, and I usually don't like it, but
Yeah,
hey,
I like it.
first time for everything.
You have passion. You
I
are
tried.
doing you are very
Uh-huh.
smart and doing very professionally.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. Sometimes I forget sometimes what kind of person I am, and I always think I'm a loser.
No,
I'm not worthy.
that.
Yeah, I know.
You have to
That's what I
confident.
need to do. Is I do that.
You know what are you doing?
I
You
know.
know very well. When I
Thank you.
learning English at the beginning time, so many people criticize me. They always told me you never able to speak English. But now I can speak English.
And you're doing really well.
Yeah,
People just want to tell you not so you could give up and not be who you are. Don't ever let them stop you. If they're not here to support you, let them go.
What I'm doing, I know very well. That's why I'm very confident. And I all time thinking I can.
So are you, Con. You are too, okay? You are needed, you are special, you are valued, and you are loved.
Thank you, thank you. Now you feel happy.
Yes, I feel happy.
You also make my night today because I feel bored. That's why I come here and join with you. It's very beautiful.
Thank you. But I really appreciate you being here with me and remembering me as well. That's very sweet.
You like to join with me? You like it? You appreciate it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You make your hair.
Yeah, to make it more fuller and thicker.
Oh, it's wonderful. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
I like it too.
You make it every
But
day?
it's always been, yeah. Cool, huh? You see the smoke coming out of my hair? It's burning my hair.